it's me, Asha. Today I'm going to be doing a slime haul video. And yeah, I'm sorry for the lighting. I know it's horrible. Just don't mind it. So the first slime I have is this metallic slime. I named it Timberwolf. I know it's a real color, but I named it Timberwolf. It's a really good slime. Let's do some test slime. The puffing test. Like it. Not that great at bubbles, but see the crunching. I'm going to show you guys the slime up close. Show you it. Sorry for the bad lighting. The area I'm in has a bunch of shadows. By the way, guys, if you go to school, tomorrow is the last final half day of school. So you get a half day tomorrow. Well, most of the schools get half day tomorrow, I think. And I can't wait because it's almost the first day of summer. Well, almost. Because May 24th is not the last day of May. Well, it is summer, but I mean like summer for school. Like, you're out of school. Here I come, summer. So. Okay, done with that slime. Actually, at the end, I want to show you some. Four-month-old slimes, I think. I'm not sure. I can't remember how long it was. Okay, where's the next slime? There it is. Okay. Next I have this new slime that I made. It's like a yellow slime. I hate putting the slime in Ziploc bags. Try to find a container that will fit this. I hope. Let me check. Yes, it fits. Okay. You know the fun thing about the slime? It makes bubbles. I need a straw real quick. Okay, I want to show you guys what I need is straw. There's no straws right here. I'll be right. Actually, since I'm too lazy to edit, I'm going to come with. You guys come with me. Yeah, this is a new edit no cut video since I am too lazy to edit. I got the shadows of my life. I'm fading. Ew. Stepping in onions. That is. For the straws, I need to take the actual onions out. Yes, I got the straws. Got to the straws. Guys, what color should I do? I'm just gonna do blue. I don't care if it doesn't match the color of my slime. Not everyone does that. A lot of people have when I watch YouTube videos. I didn't do that. Okay. All my friends have been asking. Dylan and my best friend, she's been telling people that I have a channel, even though I told her not. Even though I told her that I never wanted her to, but I don't care. She's my friend. Right now it's making a fart sound. I'm wasting my breath on this. See that, guys? It's fun to make bubbles with once you get used to making bubbles with it. Making a tiny one, but I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay. Just blowing air. So lost. By the way, in school today, I got popsicles. For some reason, one of the speech teachers, my aunt. Anyway, had a hole in it. Okay, that's enough of this slime. Ew. Okay. Okay. I want this slime to be iceberg, so I'm just gonna leave it out. Yes, I know, that's how I make icebergs. I know, it sounds weird. Actually, I'm gonna put the cap on this one since I like the slime more. Ew. Oh, I actually have 2 other slimes before I get to the older ones. Where'd the container go? I lost the container. I'm just gonna put it in. I'm gonna add those slimes. Oh. I found one of them. Both of them. No, just one. Heck, it's hard. Okay, I'm guessing it's bad now, but it's hard. Yesterday was really stretchy. Here's my green one. I have another one in green. I have no clue where it is. Yes, yes. Okay, I'm just gonna have to go into the old ones. Okay, guys, so I'm a little nervous. They're not too low, though, really. I don't think they're full mounts. They're probably less, but look. There used to be Nickelodeon slimes in here. Those, those 3-pound slimes from Crazy Art. They used to be in here. But now we have, ew. Look how much water that is. Ew, one's like sunken in water. Ugh. Oh, it smells. What is this? It smells gross. Ew, no, no. No, not today, sir. Not today. Let me wash my hands. God, jeez. Okay, there we go. Help me. Ew. This soap literally smells like cardboard and blackberries on top. Like, and it's called black raspberry and banana. Alright, so let's go to my room. I want to show you guys my room. Soon I'll do a room tour. So this is my outfit of the day. That's my outfit of the day. And yeah. So that was all for that video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Love you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.